अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम एक मिक्स बनाने जा रहे हैं which can be easily mixed with cooked rice. Very good for tiffins, lunch boxes के लिए perfect है. So we are going to make today Vangibhaat, Brinjal rice mix. ठीक है, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. We have to roast and powder a few ingredients. So let's start with that. Keep a kadai. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Roast them for a few seconds and then add 1 tablespoon of Channa dal and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Wash and add to the kadai. Also add 4 to 5 dry red chillies. Keep sauteing on low flame. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds, half teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon khus, that is poppy seeds, and continue sauteing on low flame. So now switch off the flame and add a 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, turmeric powder, a pinch of hing, and 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Mix everything together and let it cool. Once the mixture is cool, remove to a mixie jar and grind to a fine powder. To the same kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. When it becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add 2 tablespoons of groundnuts, half a teaspoon of urad dal and a few curry leaves. Saute for a minute or so and then add 1 small sized onion chopped. Also add 2 dry red chillies. Saute well till the onions become translucent. At this point, you can add green chilies if you want more spice, else dry red chilies is more than enough. Once the onions are nice and done, let's add the brinjal. I have taken 250 grams of brinjal, cut them into cubes and left them soaked in salt water for 20 minutes. Now add the brinjal and mix well. Keep the flame between low and medium. Now add half to 3/4 teaspoon of salt and continue sauteing. I am not adding much salt here because I have added salt in the rice. Now add half a glass of tamarind water. I had taken a small gooseberry size of tamarind and soaked it in warm water. So this is the residue. Add the tamarind water, mix well, cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the masalas become nice and the brinjals have become soft. At this point, add the ground mixture. Saute the mixture on very low flame because we haven't as yet added any water except for the half a glass of tamarind water, and that's already evaporated. So now take half a glass more, rinse out the mixie jar and add that to the mix. Now mix everything together very well. Lower the flame, keep the flame on low, cover and let it cook for another minute and then switch off the flame. Vangibhaat brinjal rice mix is now ready. This is more than enough for half a kg of cooked rice. You can even store the remaining in a Tupperware container in the refrigerator section for 15 days. Mix with hot rice and there you go. Tiffin is ready with a side of salad and raita. You're good to go. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box.